Hello everybody, this is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading, and I wanted to show you some of the vegetables that I've been growing from clips from my original food. So for instance, these are organic carrots that I purchased. I ate the carrots and I kept about an inch of the stem, placed them in water here and here, and I'm growing some carrot greens. You can see here, let's see, this is a better picture. Let's see, growing some carrot greens here. And then here is a romaine lettuce. And this romaine lettuce is starting to grow. Let's see, it's very sunny. So this romaine lettuce is starting to grow. And then I took a couple of inches of celery, organic celery, and I ate the celery. And then I kept the base. See, I kept the base and I placed it in water, and now I'm growing some celery. And after this grows for a while, I can plant this in dirt. Right now I have them on my windowsill. I have the carrots outside, and I've had these on my windowsill in the kitchen, and they're doing well there. I've got another one, I forgot to take it out. And here are the carrots. And what I do with the carrot greens, I mean, a lot of people will eat them, but my chickens really like them. So here I am for free, regrowing carrot stems. And I actually saw somebody on TikTok who was growing carrots from carrots that they purchased at the store. And what she did, instead of placing them in the water as I am this way, she turned them upside down this way, and she said she can actually grow another carrot that way. And I've not tried it that way, so I'm going to have to try that. So I place these in water, and they regrow carrot greens, and they're so cute to watch. So here are the carrot greens that are growing. And these were different color carrots. So this is an orange carrot, and this is a yellow carrot. But this is terrific. And also, where is it? These, I should have shown you these sooner. Every one of these were from what am I saying? Garlic. So I had cloves of garlic, and I forgot about them, and they were in a basket in my kitchen. And I noticed, like, I had plants growing out of my basket, and I looked and said, oh my goodness, like, I cannot believe I forgot about those garlics. So I decided to plant them here. And this is what the garlic looks like. So I've been eating these like almost every night. I mean, you can see that I've cut some of them. But I'm hoping to dig them up and find some garlic bulbs. But these are really tasty. I've been placing them in salad. I've mixed them with scrambled eggs. And again, this is all from food that I had already purchased that I was able to regrow. And this is something you could do on your kitchen counter. You don't need a garden to do this. It can be done on your kitchen counter. This is a fig tree, by the way. I haven't had any figs yet. Is this my second year, or this is my second year for this fig tree. And I've had some, vandalism here. And I remember last year some figs that were growing, but they never grew to maturity because they were picked off by someone. And I've got here, I planted some cherry tomatoes late. And what do I have here? I've got some edible pea flowers. These are really tasty. And the yellow basil that hasn't come up yet. And what do I have here? I've got parsley. So this is parsley that I'm growing. I've got cilantro here. I've got a blueberry shrub here, and I've got one little blueberry. And I have some kale here, some red kale over here. And this is a chamomile. I've got some chamomile growing here. And nasturtium. I've got my first flower of my nasturtium that's blooming. And they're having some heat problems here. I've got to move them. Either they're having organic heat problems or a perpetrator heat. Oh no, you know what? This is not organic. This was done to it. And this is my Meyer lemon tree that criminals have been picking to death since I purchased it. I've got another fig tree here, more cherry tomatoes here, and over here I've got some blackberries and raspberries. I don't know if you can see it. It's very sunny. And I've got my first flower. Got my first flower here, and then here. I've got to get these out into the sun. And these are really taking off. I'm going to have to transplant these, but you know, I just wanted to show you that you don't need a lot of money to regrow food. If you're buying fruit and vegetables anyway, why not save the stems and regrow them? And you could practice. And last year and the year before, I did this with a cabbage. I'm telling you, the cabbage was amazing. I started regrowing the cabbage in the house, and then I transplanted it to the garden, and I had cabbage all summer long. So, and here's the celery. I mean, isn't that cute? I mean, you can do this at home. This would be a fun project for your children to regrow vegetables at home. I think they would love it. But anyway, this is Lorraine, Alternative Homesteading, signing off for today. Hope everybody's having a great day and you can grow your own food.